Guys, back with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing about the NERF N-strike elite darts. It's elite darts, 12 elite darts, and it's maximize your performance. I'm just gonna get everything that it's written here. It can be with Hailfire, Rampage, or Retaliator, and includes 12 elite darts. Works with any N-strike elite blaster and most original N-strike blasters. N-strike, not elite N-strike. And most original. And hey NERF Nation, join us online and keep up with the latest and greatest news from blah 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 from NERF. So read the reading. No wait. Work with any N-strike. Yeah, I read that. Okay, do not aim at eyes or face. Don't do that at home. I got my gun here. And I'm just getting it. It's right here. That I'm gonna use for today. I just bought it. I did an unboxing. And if you want to see the unboxing, it's in the link below. Maybe I did it. I don't know if it's done with the uploads. But maybe there's something on it that it's game problem. But maybe I'm gonna do another unboxing. I swear. If I got 100, because I just started the channel and I'm new on the YouTube. So if I got 100 likes, I'm gonna do that the unboxing. And I'm doing the Would You Rather after the next week. So keep just press the bell so you get notified. And let's go to the video. I'm just gonna get my knife. I just got it again. So I don't know where Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Oh, it's right here. Okay, guys, I didn't find the knife. I got the scissors. So if you guys have NERF, basically, I think you will be having this gun. If you have one of these guns, just say to me in the link below. Write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel because I just did it. And if you like this video, you can subscribe. If you don't like it, it's your wish. It's your opinion. I don't care if you subscribe or it's your wish. So if you don't want to subscribe, I'm not so worried. Like it's okay. It's not okay. It's okay because nothing's gonna happen. But oh my god, it's like oh my god.
Smell good?
No, it's like so good. I like those darts. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, 2, 3. 1, 2. You got 4?
Yeah.
Oh, you got 4.
5.
So guys, I'm gonna try it on my gun right here. Put it all right here. Okay, let's load this up and start to see how it is. Is it good or bad? Okay, I think it's gonna be good. These darts are so good. It sounds too loud. It's hard, yeah. Do you hear that sound? It's too like, I can't even talk. See, when I talk, blah blah blah. Wait, nothing came out. Wait, something came out? I can't see nothing. Where? Whoa, how did that come here?
I don't know.
If you see it, say to me in the comments below. If you see it. Oh my god. You don't know how heavy this gun is. It is heavy. It's so fast, and I like this gun. It looks like a real gun. So, like the best thing, like without doing anything. You can't see that it's flipping, but it is flipping. See? Wait, you see this? It's something right here. It's moving. That's how you know that it's all moving. Oh my god, this is so good. So I'm just gonna load this up and see how it works. Okay, we're gonna aim on that. Let's go and aim. Wait. Okay, let's get that. Okay. I think you didn't see it when it went, but it went pretty good. Well, like I didn't see it too. I have perfect eye vision, but I have no idea how it went. So click like if you like this gun, and subscribe to my channel if you think that I need a channel. So write in the comments below if you want me to use those or those in a NERF war. I think those are better because they're NERF. This is X-Shot. It looks pretty heavy for me. Maybe not for you, but it's for me, so it's pretty heavy. I can't even take it. So I like when I'm catching it like that. If you want to see Nerf gun, NERF war, like the real, who made that channel, Nerf gun vs gun or Nerf, you're gonna see the link below, you're gonna see the link in the description below. Make sure to check that channel. It's really good. I subscribe to it, and I got notified for every video, and I won a prize. That I want a gun. That they have 2 channels. Yeah, they have 2 channels. Make sure that you subscribe to me and them. And peace out.